Now we're going to ruins of St. Paul's here in Macau. This is it, guys. We've been walking for 11 minutes from our hotel. From here. See? My travel buddy. So that's it. There's here. There's also a way going. See that? We just turn. We're supposed
That
to
was
be
longer.
there.
That was longer.
That is a nice view of Empire here. Let's go there. Okay, we're now in Saint. Was that the name? Ruins
Saint Paul's.
See? Welcome, guys, to my vlog about ruins of Saint Paul here in Macau. So, if you see, it's obvious that this is a tourist attraction, one of the tourist attraction here in Macau. So you see different people from different countries coming over here to see this historic building of ruins of St. Paul. Wow. Wow. This is so nice. See here. See how many people here. We are in ruins of St. Paul, Macau. This is it, guys. It's free admission. It's just 12 minutes walk from the hotel where we check in. So it's I think 11 a.m. now here. It's winter time. It's the sun is very strong but still cold. So I'm with my travel buddy. See, if you haven't gone to this place, you have to go here. It's very nice. This is one of the historic places here in Macau. It's so hard. I don't know where to ask someone to take a photo of us together with my husband here. I'm shy to ask someone to take us a photo together. It's so hard to ask because some of the people coming here, I noticed that some of them are Chinese. Hopefully I can find an Asian, I mean a Filipino people who can take a photo of us. Oh my god. Oh no. I wish. Sana naman may mahanap. Sana naman may mahanap akong Filipino na makakuha ng picture. Kakahiya ng mag-isuyo eh. Halos puro kasi Chinese na nandito eh. Nakakahiya mag-isuyo sa kanila. Sana makahanap ako ng Pilipino. I'll try to see what's going on there. There. You know what, Han? It's good here.
Do you want to stand under? Oh. So no cameras inside, honey.
Really?
So
How?
you'll see the sign.
Huh?
So that here's fine, but none inside
Okay. How did you know?
because there's a sign. I'll show you
okay.
the sign. This is the sign to look for.
So, it's okay to use camera here, but
No drone.
but there is a sign that once you get inside, drone or any cameras is not allowed. So we have to take it off so we can go inside.
But not many people are doing video.
This is the inside. Hey guys, we are now inside of ruins of St. Paul. Do you know that the main element of this St. Paul's ruins is the main facade of the old church of Mater Dei. This building, the St. Paul, was established. I take the video. This is the inside of St. Paul or ruins of St. Paul. It was established on 1580, but this church suffered two fires in 1595 and 1601, and then later on it being reconstructed in 1602. So it is possible to observe the foundations to at the base of the facade. On the left side, the architectural concept was authored by the Jesuit Carlo Spinola. The works would only be concluded later on in 1637, 1640. See? And 1835, the church suffered yet its third fire, in which it almost perished completely, only remaining the main facade and its foundation. Since then, what is left from the old church has become what is known worldwide as St. Paul's ruins, from which the term Sampo is recognized in Chinese, while the facade of the old church itself is known as Pai Fong in Chinese, as it resembles a commemorative traditional Chinese art. See, this is very nice, amazing.